video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to compress your video without losing the quality. Let's say you have a video of about 200 megabytes and you just want to upload it to either your YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, wherever, but the size is kind of too heavy for you. I'm going to show you a software that you would use. Go to your browser and search for HandBrake. So definitely will be the first one you see. So this is the software here. You just click on download. I already have this downloaded and installed, so it's quite simple, just like every other software on your PC. Okay, so we just download it, follow the installation processes. So let me just show you how I use it to do mine. Since I already have it installed, I will just open the app here. Once it opens, I will select a file. I have a particular file I want to use for this particular file, which has about 29.1 MB. So let's see how it does. Here I've uploaded the video. Here I'll go ahead. As you continue, the first section is this area is the title, which wouldn't do anything there. Here you have bunch of options, different things you can do. You can come here and select it for web optimization and all the rest of them. You can also as well touch the dimension, but if you really want to keep it simple like I always do, you could just go with the presets. Okay, the preset does very nice job for me depending on what I want to use, but this is the one I kind of find very comfortable to use because it doesn't tamper with the dimension of most of the videos and stuff like that. So this particular one, creator 2160 pixels, that's 4K. So that's the one I'll be using for this particular one, although sometimes I use the social, but you could just play around and see the one that works very well for you. So let's try along with this. I've selected it. It's already, since it's a preset, everything is okay. Go ahead and direct the folder where you want it to save. So I'll just leave it on the same folder. So let me just change the name here so that I will know. Let me call this one this will compress. So save. I'll go ahead and start the encoding. It's gonna take quite some time, so I'll pause the video and come back. Alright, here it's already done. So you see the finish here. So what I'll do is to go to the folder and check the video. So let's play the original video, then we play the compressed one. So let's go. So here is the video. You pay attention to details, which is quite smooth. And let's check the compressed video now. So as you can see, I can't even find any difference. Like the video is perfectly compressed, still retaining the original quality of the video. Now if you have a number of videos you would want to compress, you don't have to do it one after the other. You can simply go here. Instead of selecting single, you just select batch, and that would enable you to select a folder. For instance, I'll select this folder. So go down here, select folder. So let it scan the folder. Now when it's done scanning, the next thing you do is you click here, this arrow pointing down, then add all. Then after that, you see 5 are already added. You can now start the count. So that is how you do it. You can now click on start and it takes the time to do the job. Now I want you to download the app and use it and tell me how it works, whether it works for you as it does for me. Okay guys, my name is Elamedia and I'm with Elamedia.